Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. If you will do anything for a good night's sleep, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Peace and Quiet Sleep Mask.
Does this look familiar to you? Laying awake, wishing it was dark so you could get some sleep? Well, let me tell you, the Peace and Quiet Eye Mask will change that forever. It is so comfortable, and look how dark it makes it. It is fantastic. This product is so well made. I love the fact that there's no sharp edges. The seams are really soft and smooth all the way around the mask. And also the adjustable straps. They are slightly stretchy, but you do have that ability to tighten them with the buckle as well. The favorite part of this for me is the little marshmallow soft pillows that go around your eyes. They get nice and snug without pressing on your eyeballs, because I have found that in other masks. And it also has a nice little section that goes around your nose that is somewhat adjustable, so you can make sure it's nice and blacked out.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.